How to change your delivery address on AliExpress. What is up everyone? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily change your delivery address on AliExpress. First off, go ahead and open up your AliExpress application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you make sure that you're logged in, you can find the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. And once you get to the profile icon, just tap on the settings or the gear icon at the top right. Once you head over to the settings, you'll find your shipping address option right below profile. Just tap on it and you can change your shipping address from here. You can even add a new address or change the existing one. So you can also get to this setting by heading over to profile. And then from here, if you go to country and region, you can change it from here. So if you just change your country and location, you first have to tap on the drop down, select your country. So let's say if I just go ahead and select UK and tap on change, now it will automatically change your country as well as your shipping address. So that's pretty much it guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.